So I once again welcome all of you students, new students of FYJC of Shri TP Bhatia College of Science. 300 students are there in this Zoom room, while rest can join on the YouTube. If anybody calls you that I'm not able to join, you can tell them to join on the YouTube link. Since you were in time, you got a chance to come in the room. I request you all to keep your mics muted throughout. And once we have finished, I will give you a chance to speak or to ask your questions if you have any. Ashish Pandey sir, everybody knows him. He's our technical support and also teacher of IT. He is also your admission coordinator, so you have been in touch with him. I'm your principal, Dr. Sangeeta Srivastava, and today we have decided to begin our online class.
Okay, I can understand your impatience, but sometimes this technology we have to wait for it for a few moments. I'm sorry for all that. So once again, I welcome all of you students. You are our new students of first year of Junior College of Science, that is Kandivali Education Society's Shri TP Bhatia College of Science. Students, we decided, although admissions are not complete, the more than half of the admissions are still remaining, but all those who, more than 60% of students who have already taken admission in our college, we thought, why not begin some activities with you so that you all can get a feel of science college, you all can start your self studies, can start preparing for your examinations. And I know that most of you are all have joined some of the other classes, and you are already, if even if not joined classes, you have started your studies of standard 11, because textbooks are available on the in the market as well as in the on the website of eBal Bharati. That is why we took a decision that today, being the first day of October, by the in a normal circumstances, we would have finished our first unit test and preparing for the first terminal examination. But we all know that these circumstances are different and unique for everyone. Nobody had expected that time will be like this and we all will be studying from home. And so accepting the change environment around us and accepting that can you all hear me? Just give a thumbs up. Okay, because somebody has pointed that they cannot hear.
Yes, we can hear you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So accepting the situation around us, we have to make the changes that are required. And so we have decided that for all those who have already taken admission with us, we will begin our interactions with you. And today is the first day. Today we will just introduce the college to you, introduce some things related to your studies. And tomorrow, being Gandhi Jayanti and 2nd October, we have an activity which you can follow on YouTube. We will send you the link today. So tomorrow we will all celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, and from 3rd October we will do our regular 1 hour classes every day in the evening. We will send you the timetable, how it is going to be. Fine. So requesting Ashish, that there are other teachers also, we will introduce them later on. I will request our IT head, IT teacher, and also admission coordinator, and also the technical person, Ashish Pandey sir, to share the screen and show you a small presentation that will take you to the TP Bhatia College, activities and other things. Rest everyone, please keep your phones or computers on mute, because it will help us to go through it fast. See, those who cannot hear me, maybe there is some problem with your phone or computer. Maybe you can click that button of audio and see, because I am audible as everybody else told me. So this is our TP Bhatia College. So this is our vision, that we want to create an environment learning where we blend the conventional teaching with the modern technology, so that you get a value-based education and we use all kinds of international best practices to teach you. And our mission is to provide you an infrastructure which is you can compare with anywhere in the world, with all kinds of facilities for you to learn, an atmosphere for you to become self-sufficient. You can learn in your own language also. If you have come from a vernacular medium, we give you a support to study in the science English properly. Please go ahead. Um, if you can see from this slide that in 1936, this institution had started just by 1300 students, and today the Kandivali Education Society has many sections, like they have a technical section, they have a pre-primary till 12th, and then junior colleges and degree college and postgraduate colleges, law college, commerce and arts college, and then there is a paramedical section where they have a teaching. You have BSc IT here. Then there are some courses like Sangeet Mahavidyalaya is there, which teaches Sangeet in the evening, and there is a technical section which is attached to this school. And today we have reached up to more than 20,000 students studying in these three buildings, whose picture you can see. The first picture shows the first building of this college where you're going to study, and rest of the pictures are the new buildings. Okay, and there is a degree college of commerce, not science. Why, if somebody may ask us, but the problem only is why we don't have a science degree college, because there are very few students who want to study BSc, and for that already there are enough colleges in the vicinity of Kandivali and Borivali, and that is why we don't get permission to start another science degree college, because most of our students go for either engineering, architecture, medical, paramedical, defenses, and so many other courses, but no one goes for BSc. Yes, we have BSc IT with KS Shroff College of Science. Now you can see we already spoke about the strength. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, please. We already spoke about the strength. These are our office bearers of the management, that is our Kandivali Education Society. You can see in the center is our president, Shri Satish Dattani. Then we have a vice president, Shri Vinod Vora. Mahesh Chandarana sir is our honorary secretary, and Rajnikant Ghelani is the honorary joint secretary, and Naveen Sampath is a treasurer. Students, you may be wondering, are they going to teach you? No, they are not your teachers, but they are the ones who hold this Kandivali Education Society together, and they work for all the benefits and all your welfare day and night honorably, without being appointed here, but they are in charge of the college. Now let us come to the college and let us see what are the subjects that you are going to study. So we have English. These subjects cannot be replaced, means they are compulsory subjects. So there are 6 compulsory subjects, that is English, physics, chemistry, EVS, that is environmental studies, and physical education, and English. Yes, English, physics, chemistry, EVS, and physical education. These are the subjects for general science with biology. And why I have mentioned biology here? Because biology has an option for the students who want to take vocational subject. Now these are the subjects that we have. I already spoke about you. In place of biology, when you take a vocational subject, then you can replace it by biology and Hindi. And even in place of Hindi, you can take these other optional subjects, like you can take your own mother tongue subjects like Marathi, Gujarati, or Sanskrit, French, and also you can replace some subjects with geography and psychology, which is not very important at this stage. In place of Hindi, you can take information technology, that is IT subject, that is of 100 marks. Now we come to the most important part of our college, which is called vocational subjects. Why I tell you this is most important, that you will see in our next video. I'll request Ashish sir to play this video for you, which talks about our vocational subjects.
Shri
your career, that you can see that this is our YouTube channel. So I think you're sure about it. Now there are 4 vocational subjects, and these subjects can be taken by any one of you, those who want to study either engineering or architecture, or even if you don't want to study these subjects later on, even if you don't want to become an engineer, you just want to go for BSc, still you can take these subjects. Unless you want to go for medical and you want to study biology, you should not take this subject. But if you want to study um, other than medical and paramedical, we suggest that you take one of these subjects. Any subject is equally good because it teaches you general things of life, where in day-to-day living, which helps you, like mechanical or electrical or electronics or computer. All these subjects help you in your day-to-day life, even if you don't want to go for a professional education. But if you want to go for a professional education, these subjects studying here will help you also when you go for your engineering or any other course. Especially architecture, it helps a lot. So let's go to the next and see our activities. Now, please go ahead. We will talk about our HSC result. Every year, HSC results are more than 98 or 99% marks. Most of the students, they pass our HSC. Please, I will answer all your questions. Just wait for 10 minutes and then we will go to your question answers. This year also, we had around more than 1600 students who appeared for Science College. Let me tell you here that Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science is the largest science college attached to a school in Maharashtra in terms of number of students, in terms of the good results that it gets. And you can see here that in this year 1620 students had appeared and we got a result of 99.32%. And also I want to tell you students here, many students cannot afford to join coaching classes, and our teachers provide them support so that they can study on their own. Also, I would like to show you one small video which talks about the golden opportunity that you all get in TP Bhatia College. If you avail this opportunity, if you feel sometimes that you don't want to join a class, or if you cannot afford the high fees of the classes, that time you have to approach the college and you have to ask for this special batch. We make a special batch where teachers take pains to teach you and go through your entrance examinations. Ashish sir, can you play that video of golden opportunity?
Ma'am, I will play that in a minute. In a minute.
Okay.
Before that, can we continue with this slide?
Okay, please then go ahead. So these are our toppers. I cannot see the slide. Please scroll it down. These are our toppers of this year March examination, and we have Master Manan Bhatt and Diksha Pandey, and the third first. You can see their percentages: 94 plus and 93 and 93%. These are the board exam marks, and these all students are also preparing for JEE, IIT, and also preparing for their NEET examinations, and they have all got admissions in very, very good colleges. So along with their entrance preparations, the children also study very well for the board exams with the teachers. Now, these are some pictures that you can see, which are normally when the college is open. We do have these kind of activities. This is our fresher party. Then there is a workshop of organ donation. Then there is you can see this is our huge hall that we have on the 3rd floor, where 600 plus people can sit, and there is a nice stage where children get an opportunity to perform. Then there are a host of activities which are run. And this year students, since it is going to be mostly online, we will try to bring you some online activities which are part of your co-curricular activities. Keshav Chaudhary, the textbook that you need is only the government textbook which is available in the shops, and don't buy any other textbook. Maharashtra board textbook is available and you must buy only those textbooks. BSc degree is not there in the college. Please don't put chats right now. We will give you time to ask questions. Okay. So I would request Ashish to play a video of co-curricular activities. We need not show all these pictures.
Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science of Kandivali Education Society believes in experiential learning. Students here get plenty of experiences during their 2 years in the junior college in curricular and co-curricular activities. The Bifocal Vocational Subjects Department conducts several industrial visits for students. For example, students of mechanical maintenance subject visited the railway's carriage repair workshop in Lower Parel. Students got first-hand information from the staff and engineers working in the railway workshops. They visited all the sections of the repair and maintenance of the railway carriages and got to interact with their staff regarding the same. These students also visit Quick Fit Industrial Supplier, their workshop in Vasai Road, and get first-hand experience on how these goods are manufactured. They get a chance to see the machines functioning. Students of electrical maintenance visit Deltron Electricals factory, their manufacturing unit in Vasai that manufactures transformers. They get a very good experience by interacting with their staff and about the electrical transformers manufacturing. Students preparing for medical and NEET examinations visit several government hospitals as a part of their industrial visit, like Shatabdi Hospital in Kandivali or Cooper Hospital in Juhu. They visit their laboratories, various wards, and interact with the doctors and staff. All the students visit National Defence Academy in Khadakwasla, Pune, to get an idea of the careers in defence services. As a part of EVS, students participate in the tree plantation drive in the outskirts of Mumbai, Thane every year. They also visit the dams, villages and tribal areas in the vicinity of Mumbai and get a taste of their lives. These activities make the learning complete. They get certificates which complements their academics. This also helps them to get leverage in future college admissions. So, join Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science for quality education.
So students, as you saw, and that you get lot of activities, and these activities are not just time pass, but they help you also to develop your personalities, because when you go after your 12th standard, you go for admissions, sometimes you want to go abroad, or sometimes you want to go to some premium colleges or any college. Nowadays they ask for your experience in the college, junior college, and when you have these certificates, it definitely helps you to get an edge over others. And this is by my own experience, I'm telling you. Ashish sir, I would request you to play the golden opportunity video here for children. Students, please pay attention to this video and carefully listen to what is being said here.
Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science of Kandivali Education Society brings a golden opportunity for the students who are passionate about pursuing a science-based career. The students who are not in a financial position to pay high fees of the coaching classes or private tuitions, such students are taught separately by a team of dedicated teachers in such a way that along with the HSC board syllabus, they are well prepared to be able to get good marks in board exam as well as in the entrance examinations like CET to pursue further education. There are no additional fees for these. The only criteria to be selected for this batch is that you should be passionate about studying science but cannot afford to pay the high fees of the classes. That's all. Only genuinely needy students will be given this opportunity. For more information and testimonials by our past students, visit our website www.tpbhatiacollege.com.
I'm sure you have understood what it was about. later on. If you haven't understood, you can ask questions later on. So there are other activities like normal, which you can see these pictures. Let us go fast. Now, we also pay a lot of importance to sports activities in the college. Students who have been playing some sport and have achieved something at a level of district or state or national or international, we have special facilities for you. Cricket players, we have special facilities for you where you can go ahead and continue with your passion of playing and also study in the college. With we help you to finish complete your portion in time and prepare you for the board exam along with your um, normal passion for any sport or any other national or international activities that you might be wanting to pursue. So there is a video of sports also. I will request Ashish sir to play that.
Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science is a very exciting place to be in if you are a sports enthusiast. Sports is a valuable co-curricular activity, and we all know that only academic accomplishments are not enough to get admission in selective colleges. Involvement in sports and athletic achievements can get you preferential treatment in college application process all over the world. To show and develop your strength outside the classroom, join Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science that gives you ample opportunities in sports, cultural and science-based activities at district, state, national and international levels. We have a sprawling playground and we provide special treatment and support to students who want dedicate themselves to sports like cricket, volleyball, swimming, self-defense, kho-kho, etc. and also indoor games like chess, carom and table tennis. Remember students, this is a golden period of your life and foundation of your future life. Do not miss it.
So students, along with all these activities, there are some national activities like Science Festival, that is a national quiz. And now we don't know when we are able to do it. If not, then we might do it online. So, and there is a yearly visit of NASA, which is students from the school, college, they visit US with NASA as the main activity, and they also go to other places in the US. And this is an yearly event which happens in the month of May. This year we may not have this event, but next year we will definitely have it. Okay, so we come to an end of this presentation where we have told you how children are involved in various activities. You can see in this picture, you can see students from our past students who are studying in engineering and VJTI, etc. in IITs. They visit our college to conduct robotics workshops for the students, and they also come and give you lectures and talk about their own experiences, how they have what they have encountered when they went to the colleges for higher education or abroad. These are pictures of our NASA trip every year. And yes, so these are some awards and prizes. The children always take part in various activities and they win. These are our heroes of our various competitions and inter-college competitions. Children also go to IITs and engineering colleges like VJTI. They visit Cooper Hospital and all, and they take part in these activities so that they get a good exposure, because after 2 years when they go out, they are fully prepared and they are very confident to face the world. About NASA, somebody asked me, see, this year because of the COVID, we could not have our NASA trip, and next year we don't know, we cannot tell you now. It is definitely there in our plan, and if it is allowed and things get normal by May and June, we will definitely have our NASA trip. I also hope that we have it. So let us, Ashish sir, we can stop screen sharing now, and I want to open the floor for the questions that you might be having. Now, first I will read some questions from the chat. So the most common question that I have been getting is about the textbooks. I have already informed you. Sir, please stop screen sharing. Yes, thank you. So about the textbooks, I have already told you. Students, please note, go to a nearby bookstore. You get the HSC board books, which are printed by the HSC board, Bal Bharati, and you get all the textbooks. Please buy those textbooks because they are very, very important. For CS, for computer science, there are no textbooks available. And for that matter, for any vocational subject, no textbooks are available in the market. They are the notes given by our teachers, and they have compiled it, and they will give it to you when you join your classes. And uh, your vocational classes, only one condition is for the children, students, is that you have to be regular in your vocational classes, because you don't get any tuitions for that, and you don't need any tuitions for that. Whatever is taught in the college with the help of practical is enough for you to get full marks in these vocational subjects. 200 marks paper in mechanical and electrical, it is 120 marks practical and only 80 marks theory. And theory too, it becomes very, very easy for you because you have done all the practical with the teachers. And we will give you virtual practicals till the college opens, and later on you can, when you come to the college, you can do it in the labs. And we have very good labs where you, or everybody gets a chance to hold the proper equipments in your hands and conduct your practical. IT with PCMB, no, yes, you can take IT with PCMB in place of Hindi. But those who have already got IT subject, I think we have only 240 seats. So if the seats are available, then only now you will get IT. But seats are there available for mechanical and electronics and electrical. Even computer science is almost full now. Then there is a question about sports, football, volleyball. Yes, everything is there, volleyball, football, and we have a common ground there. Even if you can, make a team and you can play whenever you get time. And there are teachers. We have two teachers who will guide you through these games. Then there was a question about NASA. Yes, all the children can take part in NASA trip. Yes, of course, you have to spend some money for the tickets and other things. But in our college, it's very, very reasonable compared to other colleges. Then acting competition, yes, we have children taking part in mono acting, dramatics. We have a teacher dedicated for that who teaches you dramatics, and you can take part in any kind of inter-school, intercollegiate competitions. And then those who are telling that you don't have admission in the college, just wait for a few more days, because anyway you can come to the college and get your seat reserved here, because as soon as the online process begins, we are going to take your admission, and we have already given seats to the students, those who desire to take admission, and those not yet done. Now about your online links, we will send you by the text message, or yes, we are going to create a Telegram group. It's not WhatsApp, it is Telegram group, because in Telegram group you all can come in one group, and we can give your all the messages there. We will send you text message as well as Telegram. WhatsApp will be formed once all the admissions are completed and we have made divisions. Once the divisions are made, you will have WhatsApp groups, and there you can have all kinds of information and one-to-one talk with your teacher. For NDA, yes, we do take children for a visit once in 2 years to the NDA academy at this Khadak Vasla to have a look at it. But for studying, those who are studying in science, you can prepare for your NDA exams also simultaneously. Now, I think I have mostly which subjects are compulsory. Somebody is asking, you came late, so you do not know. We have English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and EVS and physical education. These are the compulsory subjects you have to pass in physical education and EVS also. EVS, you need to submit a project once in both the terms, and you have to pass in that subject, otherwise you will be failed. Even if you score 99% marks and you fail in EVS or physical education, you fail. Okay. And in case of biology, when you take vocational subjects, you can leave biology in Hindi, and you can take the vocational subject which is of 2 marks. IT subject can be taken in place of Hindi. General science textbooks are all available in the shops. Please go and buy that because it is very, very important. It's also available online. It's also available on our website. Link is given. You can go through our website also. Please buy only government textbooks because the new books have uh, um, here I'm not sure about whether the books have decreased the syllabus or not. 30% of syllabus has been decreased this year because of the COVID-19. So and don't need to study anything other than what is there in the your textbooks. That is more than enough. I repeat many times that you have to only buy government textbooks. That is enough for you to study for your board exams and for your 11th and 12th both. PCMB in 11th, yes, you can get all that. So now optional subject with the CS means if you take CS, then you have to leave your Hindi and biology. Which other optional subject you're talking about? You don't need now because you already left Hindi, which was optional, and biology, which was optional. English, physics, chemistry are compulsory for you, and EVS and PT is also compulsory for you. Karate we don't have in the college as a regular subject, and admission in aided in PCMB admissions are minority seats are full, and open category seats are, I think 2 or 3 seats are remaining, which will be full in the second round. So aided, because unfortunately we have only one division of aided. We already have our 3-4 divisions in waiting with the government, but we haven't got it yet. That is why it gets full very fast. Kabaddi you can play in the college. Cricket we have you can make a girls team. We always send cricket teams to play all the matches in the taluka level, district level, state level. Okay, so I think most of the questions I have handled. If other than these questions that I have handled and answered, if you have any other question in college, somebody is asking about NCC. So NCC is there in our Degree College of Commerce. So students who want to join a junior and degree in commerce, you will have to talk with, when after the college begins, we will talk with our Degree College of Commerce and see if they can accommodate you or not. Okay. Singing competition is there. Yes, all kinds of competition which comes up, you can take part in that. You have to inform us so that we can arrange for your if you need some coaching in that, we arrange for that. If you need if you miss the classes or exam, we help you in that. If there are practical and you had some competition and you have informed us, we will but we need parents permission for that, and then we give you facility so that you can attend both. Now
Okay, ma'am.
karate you can send for training. Yes, we in our PPT you saw a picture of a boy who, one of the martial arts, he has gone up till international level and he has won there also. A student has won in the in mountaineering, which was virtual, not the real mountaineering, but in a gym, in a room mountaineering. What is it called? I just forgot. So he has won an international competition in that. Swimming children have been going on their own. What we do is we help you with your exam timetables if it happens during the exam, or if you have missed your practical, we help you with that. So this is what the role of college is. If you want to pursue any of your hobbies, we will not stop you. You know, you have to come to college, or no, you have exam and you can't miss that. If your demand is genuine, if you have a proper letter and invite and everything, you show us, you give a proof that you want to appear for this particular competition or any exam or any national, international level, any activity, we will help you. This college will always help, because if you achieve something, we feel that it is a college achievement, and that is why we help you. Now for the college timing, the main thing for which we have I'm here today to tell you, EVS textbooks are, everything is available. See, now on for the time till the admissions are complete, what we will do is we will have only 1 hour class every day, and we will see that every day you get in touch with one subject. We will begin with tomorrow is Gandhi Jayanti. We will begin with that. Tomorrow you have a Gandhi Jayanti nice program with where Rajmohan Gandhi ji is going to come online and talk to the youth. And you must listen to this program with your family on YouTube. We will send you the link today. And this is a very important thing because Gandhi ji is an icon and he comes from India. All over the world, people love him and remember him and respect him and treat him like a Mahatma. And we ourselves, Indians, we don't know anything about it. So that is why it is very, very important that tomorrow's program you attend, because you will find a lot of things. Rajmohan Gandhi is himself, who's a grandson of Gandhi ji. He is going to address this workshop, this webinar, and it is happening from 6:30 to 8. By this time, because Rajmohan Gandhi is going to address us from the US, he's in US now. From there he is, so that is why this timing of 6:30 to 8 p.m. We will give you the link for it. Then 3rd October onwards, we will give you a timetable by today evening or tomorrow, and every day you will have one subject where your teacher will come and talk to you, try to give you the full purview of what you're going to study in these 2 years, and how you can bridge the gap between standard 10th and standard 11. No, you cannot drop maths for IT, please now. You can ask these questions to us on our, you can call any of us and you can ask these questions. So online classes, when admissions get over, then we will give you full-fledged timetable where we will begin with your classes, your practical, everything. And till then, till the admissions are complete, till then we will have 1 hour class every day. Timing will be mostly from 5 to 6 in the evening, where I believe that you all might have been free from your online lectures or your tuitions and classes. Now I come to one or two more questions. I can see there are questions repeated here, a lot of questions I have already answered. You can take French in place of Hindi. If you want to drop subjects like optional subject like math and all, we strongly recommend that in 11th standard you must study math, because math subject is a very important subject and you're going to need this subject in your future life, even if you go for medical. But if you have studied math, and if you really don't want to appear for mathematics for board exam, then we take that decision in 12th standard. Okay, but in 11th you must study maths. And somebody is asking about dance competition. I already told you that all kinds of competitions are happening here, internal as well as extracurricular activity. And somebody is asking what is our first activity for Gandhi Jayanti. So we will give you the activity today itself in the evening. By evening we are going to give you some assignment which you are going to do as a not as a study or academic, but as a part of Gandhi Jayanti celebration. We will give you something. And today, please all of you, as far as possible, join the Telegram link so that we will put up all our informations over there. Football you can play, PUBG you cannot play because anyways PUBG is Chinese and we are discarding Chinese, and it's not anyway good for you, because I have seen myself that game only destroys and kills and whatnot, steals, all kind of negative qualities are taught in that game. So better to play something which gives you some good values in your life rather than falling for such games, I would say. So students, I wish you all the best, and I think from my side I'm done. There are some teachers waiting here to talk to you, and I request if any one of the teachers can just unmute yourself and welcome this good group of students. I can see you all are very bright and happy and well rested students, I can say, because of the more than 6 months of rest at home, eating home food cooked by your parents, and getting no pollution, having good fun at home, and along the way studying and preparing for your in your classes and other places. So which teacher is going to talk to us now? Anyone? Any of us? Sir Anumis, are you there? Rajesh sir, are you there? You can unmute yourself and please talk. And if you're not there, then I open the floor to the student. If you can unmute yourself and ask the question one by one. We have 10 minutes more.
Ma'am, please give some
Yes,
information about
EVS and
About?
physical education are compulsory.
boxing, ma'am. Boxing.
Okay, boxing, if you are doing,
What
we
is the
don't have
cutoff?
boxing classes in the college, but if you want to pursue it, you can continue with that. And whenever you have any competition or you have to go out, you have to inform the college with the parents letter that you want to miss your class because of the boxing. Okay. And for everything, we need a parents information. Children, why we need parents information? Because you are still minor, you are not yet adult, and you are parents permission is required for everything. So keep that in mind. Okay.
EVS and physical
So-
education are compulsory subjects.
Yes, I already told you that they are compulsory and you cannot drop them. You cannot drop the exam, otherwise you will fail. I can see Anuradha Miss. Now Anuradha Miss is one of the any
Ma'am,
game,
still the
cricket,
admission is
everything.
going on.
Yes, admission is going on and it will go on because we have so many seats. We can accommodate more than 1,500
Ma'am.
students.
Ma'am, we can drop maths in 12th science.
You can drop maths, but I told you as that you must study mathematics in at least in standard 11. For
Ma'am, what
unaided-
is the cutoff for your
unaided-
college?
Unaided, there is no cutoff. Aided, 93% was the cutoff.
If someone has taken admission in another college and wants to take in your college admission, so
Yeah, you can do that. You can take it.
hello,
Ma'am, mathematics is compulsory.
What?
girls football team.
Mathematics is compulsory.
Yeah,
Ma'am, how many semesters